Hey there, my friends. Coach KIRKSHINTA here. Can you make $500 a day online? Well, absolutely you can, because that is what I did today using a program, a work from home system called $25 1UP. And I'm going to go over what this is and how you could actually use this system to actually do just what I was able to do today. All right, so let me actually show you some proof, and then we're going to get into what $25 1UP is. So right here, today at 1:10, I got a $250 payment. Welcome Cornelius. He got his blueprint. He's all set to go. And then I got another payment, as you can see here, collected by me, KIRKSHINTA TURNIPSEED. Today's date, September 28, 2019. You can look down here. It's September 28, 2019. And it was a $250 payment. So this definitely does pay, and it definitely works. I love the direct commissions, which I'm going to talk about in a second, but I'm going to quickly go over what this work from home system is. I am a top leader, one of the top 10 leaders of all time with this company. I've earned over $19,000+ with this system, and I love it. It's amazing. Okay, so let's talk about what this work from home system is. This system is pretty simple. You purchase a package, and that package makes you eligible to earn commissions at that level and any level that's underneath. What the packages are: internet marketing training, and then you can essentially become a reseller of those packages. Okay, the commissions that you're able to earn are instant. They're direct to you. You do not have to split that with the company, which is amazing. So like a lot of companies out there, you get 50% commissions, 25% commissions, things like that. Well, not with this company. You're able to earn 100% commissions direct to you, and you are in control of how you want to get paid. If you look, I have several ways that I like to receive money. You can use Square, you can use Cash App, you can use PayPal, you can, however you want to receive your money, this program allows you to receive that money. The packages that are here, what you want to do is, before you even decide that you're going to use this work from home system, you want to decide, do you want to earn hobby income? Do you want to earn part-time income, or do you want to earn full-time income? For me, I made a decision early on that I don't need to earn hobby or part-time income because I have full-time bills. I want full-time income, and be in position at full-time income levels allow me to walk away from my job. So if you are interested in hobby or part-time income, then you start at platinum. Okay, I don't even talk about gold. You're not serious if you're joining at gold, but platinum, if you want hobby or part-time income, you at least need to start at platinum. It's $125 one time. That will allow you to earn at both the platinum and the gold level, and there's a $10 software fee. So for $135, you have a work from home system income stream in a box, and that's that. And at this, let me talk a little bit about the platinum level. Great internet marketing training on Facebook, Instagram, training like that, on social media training. So that training will help you make thousands of dollars online from just knowing what to do on social media. Okay, so $135 gets you started. All right, now these are the full-time income levels. If you're like, I want to create full-time income that will allow me to either replace the income that I have, supplement income or really just be able to grow, then you need to be at these levels. And those levels are $250, $500, and $1,000. Okay, so if you were at the elite level, which is $1,000, you're going to get a full internet marketing course. You're also going to get the ability to make $1,000 commissions. And you're going to also get all the training that comes at the packages beneath this. So at the $500 level, you're going to get a full, you're going to get an internet marketing course that goes over basically like branding and social media, like how to market on social media, how to actually basically what's it called, like how to start a t-shirt course, which is a t-shirt company, which is an additional stream you can create, and you're going to be able to make $500 commissions. Okay, and then at the diamond level, $250 commissions, and again, social media training. Okay, so each level that you go up, you not only increase your earning potential, but you're also able to increase the amount of training that you have access to. And here's the thing, with being online, internet marketing training is how you make money. Skill sets are what pay. Okay, once you know what to do and you know how to do it, now you can make money online. And that's the great thing about these packages, all right? So with this company, there's no waiting till payday. You can make commissions every single day with this program once you know what to do. So these are the package level, okay? I'm not going to go over the whole compensation plan, but I just want to kind of go over some points, okay? I already said that whatever package you join at, you're eligible to earn at that level and any level underneath. One great thing about this program is that there's leverage built into this program. And what that means is when I help plug someone into the blueprint that I have, and they go ahead and they get started with this income system, that when they help that person, okay, well, or let's just say me, when I help a person get started, let's say they're at the 250 level, okay, I help that person get started with the blueprint. They make their first commission of 250. They keep that first 250. The second 250 is passed up to me, right? So now my income is growing, right? From just plugging people into a blueprint, okay? So now I'm getting extra $250 commissions on top of, so basically for every person that I help bring into this program, I'm making $250, but I'm really making $500 because I'm getting an extra, wow, I just hit my mic. I'm making an extra $250 from just plugging them into the blueprint. And that's what I love. That's leverage. To be able to grow your income from something you did one time and to be able to grow your income, right? If someone comes in at 500, because I'm at the $1,000 level, they come in at 500. Their first 500 they keep, their second 500 they pass up. And the same thing happens to them, okay? So that's pretty much that. So there's a bonus leverage built in, okay? And that's pretty much it. One thing that this program does do that I do want to talk about, which is unlike a lot of programs that are out there, if you're on a level and you're not qualified, I just want to say this, there's a split pass up. So for example, you know, what I tell people is don't join where your belief is, join where you want to go. So if you know you want to create full-time income, you need to be at full-time income levels. So let's say that, you know, you just started at Platinum 125. And someone came into your system, your digital store, and they said, oh, I like the 250 package. I'm going to join at the 250 level. Okay? They joined at the 250 level, but you're not qualified to receive that 250 commission. What the program is going to do is say, you know what? To be fair, we're going to give you 125 for that person that came into your system, into your digital store. You'll get 125. The other 125 will pass up because you weren't qualified to receive that commission. I think that this is one of the fairest compensation plans out there. All right. So if you get a referral and you're not qualified on that level, you at least get a commission at the level that you're qualified on. All right. And I already told you, I just wanted to show you this quick visual, which will show you how the passive commissions work. So let's say for the month, you brought in 5 $250 commissions, which is very doable with the blueprint that I give to you. And I'm going to talk about that in a second. You made $1,250. But when those 5 people you plug into the blueprint and show them how to get started, right, using the blueprint, okay, those 5 people, when they make their first commission, they keep their first commission. Their second $250 is passed up to you. You made an additional $1,250. For the month, you made $2,500 off of 5 commissions. In a lot of work from home systems, there's no way you make $2,500 off of 5 commissions. I was with a work from home system almost 2 to 3 years ago, where in order to bring home $2,500, I had to make, I don't even want to know how many. It was like, let me do this in my head. It would have been like 30 to 40 to be able to make $2,500 a month. All right. So this is smart business and I love it. All right. So the question is, can you do this? Okay. One thing is that I've always built a reputation of plugging people into blueprints to show them how to do this, and to help them get started right. Okay. What I'm going to do is take you over right now. Let me get out of there. Let me take you over right now to my membership area. This is the bonus that I give to people to get started. I give them a 5K blueprint training, where I walk them through step by step. I'm not going to show all of it, but I literally walk them through how to set up their back office, how to get started. I walk them through how to use this system and market on social media to be able to get leads and sales. And they're plugged into my Facebook group, so they have my ongoing support, and I'm giving them the blueprint that I actually use to be able to do what I did today, to be able to make that $500 that I made today. So if you're interested, check out the section beneath this video. Make sure you subscribe. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and let's get you plugged into your blueprint so that you can do the same thing. I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Bye-bye.